In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge cells in Google Docs. Whether you're formatting a table or simply want to make your data more organized and visually appealing, merging cells can be a powerful tool. Let's walk through the process together, step by step. First, let's open a web browser. You likely have your favorite browser installed, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or another. Simply click on it to open. Once you're in, head over to the search bar at the top of your screen and type in Google Docs. Hit Enter, and you should see Google Docs pop up as one of the top search results. If you use Google Docs regularly, it might even be bookmarked or saved as a shortcut, which can save you some time. Next, click on the link to Google Docs. This will take you to the main landing page where you'll see options to create a new document, choose from various templates, or access your existing files. Now, if you haven't already, you'll need to log in. In the top right corner, you should see a button labeled Sign In. Click on that and enter your login credentials. This is typically the email and password associated with your Google account. Once you're logged in, you'll be redirected back to your Google Docs homepage. Now, navigate to the document where you want to merge cells. If it's a recently edited document, you might see it right on your home screen. Otherwise, use the search function or browse through your folders to find it. Open the document by clicking on it. In your document, you'll probably see a table with several cells. To merge cells, you'll need to select the ones you want merged. Click and, while holding down, drag your cursor over the cells you wish to combine. Make sure to accurately cover all the cells that need to be merged, as leaving one out might lead to an unexpected outcome. Having highlighted the cells, move your cursor over any one of the selected cells, then right-click. Doing so will open up a context menu with various options. Look through this drop-down menu and find the Merge Cells option. It should be towards the middle or bottom of the list. Once you've found it, click on Merge Cells. If done correctly, you'll see the cells transform from their individual borders into one unified cell. This is now a merged cell, combining all the data from the selected cells into a single space. Merging cells this way is particularly useful when creating headers, organizing data categories, or even just improving the aesthetic of your document's layout. And there you have it. You've successfully merged cells in Google Docs. You can follow these steps anytime you work with tables and need to make adjustments. Thank you for watching, and happy document editing.